All right, so today we're going to be looking at the relationship between transversals and parallel lines when one of the angles is 90 degrees. So if we can prove, or if we're given that one of the angles is 90 degrees in a system of parallel lines with a transversal, that means that all of the angles are also going to be 90 degrees. All right, so using that information, here at example 1, we can look to find the value of y with E and F being parallel, because since we have one of those angles is 90 degrees, that means all of them are 90 degrees. That means that 4y plus 10 is equal to 90. Now we can subtract 10 off of both sides to get 4y equals 80, and then divide both sides by 4 to get that y is 20. Now, in this next one, we know that all of these angles are going to be 90 degrees, which means that 3x is going to be equal to 90, as well as 5x minus 6y is going to be equal to 90. All right, so if I divide both sides by 3, I get x equals 30. So then I can take that information. Now that I know x, plug that in to the other equation. All right, 5 times 30 is 150. 150 minus 6y equals 90. So subtracting 150 off of both sides. Negative 6y equals negative 60. And then just divide both sides by negative 6. And we get y is equal to 10. All right. And then this last example here, with all of those perpendicular, that means that x plus 3y is equal to 90, as well as 2x plus 12 is equal to 90. All right. So I've got to solve the one with just the x first. I can subtract 12 off of both sides to get 2x is equal to 78, and then divide both sides by 2 to get, let's see, 7 divided by 2 is, let's see, that would be 3 with 1 left out, 3 and 18, 39, yes. So x is 39. So plug that in here, 39 plus 3y equals 90. So subtract 39 off of both sides. Sorry, I don't want to divide by 90. Or divide by 39, I want to subtract 39. So that is going to be 51, and 51 divided by 3 is 17. All right, there we go. That is our x and our y, 39 and 17. All right, as always, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email or send me a Canvas message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day.